Starting on Amazon, all these barcode terms might seem a bit overwhelming at first. I get it. They can be confusing if you're just starting. I'm Horia. Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will help break down these terms in super easy way. Let's check out these terms together. When you start on Amazon, you will hear the followings regarding barcodes: ASIN, FNSKU, SKU, UPC, and EAN. Now, before I define each terms, we need to know, as an Amazon seller, which terms I should worry about, i.e. I need to purchase or create or print off, and which one I shouldn't. First, do I have to worry about ASIN? No. Do I have to worry about FNSKU? Yes. Do I have to worry about SKU? It's a no. And finally, do I have to worry about UPC and EAN? And the answer is yes, as these two you need to buy from GS1. But we need to know what each term means, and I will explain why we don't need to worry about them. ASIN, which stands for Amazon Standard Identification Number. ASIN is a unique identifier assigned by Amazon to products listed in their catalog. Each Amazon listed product has its own ASIN provided by Amazon itself. It normally starts with B and will appear in the product information section and in the URL of the product. You don't need to worry about ASINs because Amazon automatically generates them for products once they're listed in their catalog. No need to purchase or create them. Amazon take care of this for you. The second one is FNSKU, which stands for Fulfillment Network Stock Keeping Unit. FNSKU is a barcode used by Amazon within their fulfillment center for inventory tracking. It's unique to each product variation, size, color, etc. It's crucial for labeling products sent to Amazon for fulfillment. You do need to worry about FNSKUs because they are specific to your product variation and are necessary when sending item to Amazon fulfillment center. You will need to print the correct FNSKU label for each product variation you are sending. The third term is SKU, which stands for Stock Keeping Unit. SKU is a code unique to each product within your inventory management system. Amazon creates a SKU for each listing, allowing you to stock inventory, variants, and product information. You don't need to worry about creating a SKU as Amazon generates them for each listing automatically. They help manage your inventory and variation within the Amazon system. The fourth term is UPC, which stands for Universal Product Code, and EAN, European Article Number. You will need to worry about UPC or EIN as you will have to acquire them from GS1. Amazon only accepts the barcode to be bought from GS1, and they will check against the database of GS1. These codes are essential so you can list your private label product on Amazon. A UPC is usually a 12-digit barcode used in North America to identify most products. The rest of the world uses 13-digit EAN barcodes to identify products. However, both types of number and barcodes are part of the GS1 system, offers international standard accepted globally. So if you purchase a barcode from GS1 in UK, it will work in the USA and vice versa. For listing products on Amazon catalog, they will need either a UPC or EIN for each product variation like size, color, and type. For instance, a red t-shirt in a small size requires one barcode, and the same style but in a large size we will have a different barcode. Now let's move to the computer and practically explore the meanings of each of these terms. Now let's break down how these barcode terms work practically. Imagine you're launching a private label product. Let's say it's a mug, available in two colors, black and red. First, you head to GS1 to buy two barcodes, one for the black mug and another for the red mug. When you list these mugs on Amazon, you'll enter the UPC or EAN that you purchase for each color variation. Amazon then assigns unique codes like the SKU, ASIN, and FNSKU to each product. The SKU stays within your Amazon inventory system, so in the computer it will stay in the dashboard. The ASIN appears in the product URL and in info section. Now let's say you need to send out 500 black mugs and 1,000 red mugs. You will print 500 FNSKU label for the black mugs and stick them on each black mug. Similarly, print 1,000 FNSKU labels for the red mugs to attach to each RAD map. These labels are what the Amazon warehouse scans. To sum up, you buy the UBC or EAN just to list your product on Amazon. You won't need that number again. FNSKU and FNSKU are automatically generated. You only need to print FNSKU labels for the quantity you are sending. Remember, UBC and ASIN stay the same once listed, but if you add another listing for the same item, your Amazon inventory system creates a new SKU and a new FNSKU. Each FNSKU matches with the specific SKU. If you delete a product from your inventory, let's say you made a mistake and you deleted it, ACE and UBC won't get deleted. That's it. It's been listed in the catalog, it won't be deleted. So don't worry, you can list it again, the same product. But new products will get a different SKU and different FNSKU. So let's say you printed FNSKU and you send it to your supplier in China to stick it in the product. And then for a mistake, you made a mistake and you deleted that product from your inventory system. And once you created it again on the system, although it's the same product, the FNSKU labels will be different. So you have to send your supplier your new FNSKU. So hopefully this explains how this barcode work in a simple term. Please stay tuned for more practical video that will make this even clearer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.